Hi, hello, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
So today again is Pashtun English mix video, and I'm teaching you whatever. I'm cooking Ghatay Rojay. It's called Ghatay Rojay, mean fat rice.
Fat rice.
And Ghatay Rojay is like a long grain rice, which in Pashtun we call Ghatay Rojay, Charsadwal Rojay.
No, they're short grain rice.
Short grain? No.
Yeah, long grain is like thin rice.
No, it's not thin. It's like a really thick rice. Let me show you. So it's this kind of rice.
Yeah, they're short grain rice.
Yeah. Well, I bought it from Pakistan, and in Pakistan it's called Ghatay Rojay. In Charsadwal it's really famous. So this is about 2 cup rice, which I soak in really hot water, okay? For 10 minutes. I rinse it again and I wash it until the water is really clear. I put that on fire. I don't know how people cook Ghatay Rojay and Charsadwal Rojay, but that's the way I cook. And I learned this from my mummy again.
Amazing.
Like one day I really want to eat Ghatay Rojay, and
you've got no battery in this.
yeah, I called my mom and my mom teach me that on the phone, and I did it.
Amazing.
Half a kg lamb leg. Well, people put beef in Ghatay Rojay, but
okay.
I'm allergic to beef meat.
Are you?
Yeah, I got really bad
Intolerance
yeah.
with you.
So I use lamb, but if you use beef is really good. You can see it's like green chili.
This is the stock basically, cinnamon sticks.
Like exactly
bay
like the
leaves,
way we made for the
rice. Pulao.
So I put half a kg that in there.
Nice.
And Ghatay Rojay take too much water. So I usually we put double the water. So if it's 1 cup rice, we put 2 cup water to cook rice. But Ghatay Rojay take quite a lot of water.
Right.
And especially, Ghatay Rojay mean it's like really sticky kind of rice.
Like a risotto kind of rice.
Yeah. So and like a khichdi type or something like that, but it takes loads of rice. So I put triple the amount of water. So if it's 1 cup, I put 3 cup, and then later on I need more. But this is I'm gonna put that on heat now. For lower heat for at least 1 hour.
Amazing.
So this is for my Ghatay Rojay. This is my own mixed masala, which is coriander, garam masala, jeera powder, dry coriander. I mix this masala. That's red chili, and this is curry powder, and I'm gonna use a green chili as well. My onion is nearly ready, and my Ghatay Rojay is cooking in meat as well.
And
so
I did my nails.
Okay. So I show all these masala. I'm gonna put all these masalas in, and it's like about 3 chili powder. Hey, that's my masala is ready. And now, Malia.
Yes, baby.
Look at that! And I'm gonna dip that in. Be careful, move.
Yum.
Okay,
Looks so
this
good.
is my Ghatay Rojay. I'm gonna bring it to this fire.
Oh my goodness.
Is ready
this
now.
looks so good.
Make sure, look, all this meat is go like really.
This looks so good. I wish I was here for it because I would make this at home.
Make sure, mix it, and leave it on slow fire again now. So that's my Ghatay Rojay, but you can see all the meat go really
Blended well.
blended.
Soft. I'm just looking at this roast. Like, when are you gonna make this one? Mama? I'm waiting until you marinate this.
This roast recipe as well, but first let's see how this Ghatay Rojay. And in that stage, take this big
Cinnamon sticks and everything, bay leaves, take them out.
So this is my Ghatay Rojay.
Well done,
That's my
Mom.
roti Rojay. When it's ready, I'll show you.
Okay.
But for half an hour, it's gonna be on low heat again.
Amazing. Great.
You know, keep it until all the oil comes to the top.
Okay.
Okay? After 10 minutes, with blender, with head blender.
No, with whisker.
With whisker. I just call this blender probably. With this, make sure all the meat mix and go like.
You guys, it smells so good.
كل دي روجو سره یو شان دي مکس شي چې روغه غوښه پکې پاتې نه. So that's Charsadwal Rojay. And make sure it's like sticky.
Are you making?
When it's sticky, that means your Rojay is nearly done.
Amazing. But
This rice beauty is that the more you whisk, shred, whisk, whatever, the more sticky is this rice, the more tasty it is. So make sure, like Nafia is my strong daughter, so I ask her to mix that. So nearly for 15 minutes she gonna mix it, and the more all the meat go like, you know, like a little part. چې بس بالکل غوښه ان روجي یوځای شي.
شمسي ورکې
وخا چې تاروجه به ته ورسې. نو سمسې به پکې هغې پورې وخې څو پورې چې دا غوښه چې دا بالکل دا ډوکي نه بیله شي and په دې روجو کې مکس شي. And now Nafia, you say in English. ماله نه راځي چې ډوکي نه غوښه لرې شي. انګلیش کې وایي نو څنګه به وایي؟
Mix it till the meat comes off the bone.
Off the bone, yeah.
And just the meat just melts into the deliciousness of the rice.
So, and trust me, the more you mix it, the more delicious that will be. And don't forget, it's called Charsadwal Ghati Rojay. Does. It was a famous story in Pakistan. One woman, she was collecting money. Since you told me this is a beer class, I don't feel like it. Drink water.
Well, it's a Muslim class.
It's a Muslim class, but still. Okay, so yo khazawa porto ke dete wema. Now you can translate that in English. The zul minishta. So yo khazawa agil jama daji ba wada sakola. Yo khazawa agil agil shel 19 rupees jama krede.
So there was a woman that dad said.
My dad said,
told her about a story where there was a woman and she saved up 19 rupees.
And then, she was struggling for the 1 rupee to be, to collect like 20 rupees. So her husband bring 1 rupee and put it here in the 19 rupees. He said, "Ugora zamana baghair de shilnake. Without me, you didn't make it 20." So that's why people say, "Rawacha wachi shilshi." Mean like add the 1 rupee, so it's gonna become 20. I don't know. It's kind of a thing. So now if you mix that, and she said, "Without me, you can't do it." So now she take all the credit. There is she. Now if you're gonna put it in that glass dish, and you can see how sticky is that. And the whole beauty of this rice is the stickiness. This is Charsadwal.
It's overflowing.
Huh?
It's overflowing.
Bas kana no normal chawa kana. This is my Charsadwal Ghati Rojay. And که په خوله کې مو به راځي ورته نو منډه کې کچن ته او ځان ته جوړې کې او ما ته دعا وکړې چې ماما راته چلو خو که نه نافیه. So my sweetheart gonna try my Charsadwal Rojay now. Siddiq, tell me the truth, how is it, okay?
It's really hot.
Really hot?
No, I mean like boiling.
Oh, I thought chili hot. It's really hot, isn't it? Okay. Oh. Okay, tell me the truth, how is it?
No, it's really good. It's just
Really good?
boiling. It's amazing. Oh, this tastes really good.
Okay, give me a kiss. my son like it. That's my
Why?
credit.
Everybody doesn't like it.
No, nobody try it.
It's really good.
First time, just you try.
Oh my god, it's so hot. I want to eat this whole bowl, but it's hot.
I record my little baby, my John.
I'm not a baby. I'm an old man.
Not old for me.
I'm an old man.
You're still a baby for me.
Aww.
Yeah. So पटुंडी लास्ट में दला चारसदवाल रुचि जोड़ी के तासु तमे रेसिपी खोला और फलो बच्चों तमे तैयार इकड़े. So मुंगा बखुरु तासु वटा गोरे और तासु किचन तमंडा के और कोले रानू समी बाबा नाशा. Sabi don't want to be in my video. Okay. So tasu kitchen tamanda ke gati ruji pakhike and zaba shukar de da sabi las pakirari. Za rani ruji wagasti che zama da mor las hogi. So tasu bande ke aur zaba pakhike sabi lagya. So go rush to the kitchen, make buy Charsadwal ruji, my Charsadwal rice, and we're gonna eat rice. And please comment, subscribe now.
Like, comment,
Please
subscribe.
like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Ude.
Bye.